How can you get an autonomous vehicle to drive in different parts of the world?
Maps, driving rules, and more importantly, driving culture vary significantly around the world. For example, in some places, drivers routinely give the right of way, while in others, it seems as a sign of weakness to be exploited. Sometimes you get different driving behavior in different parts of the same city or at different times of the day. From the second an AV starts moving in a new environment, it has to know how to drive like a local driver and make expectation about other drivers' behavior. That's where our RAM mapping technology comes in. Since we have more than 125 million cars around the world, we can not only map road elements in extreme details, but we could also map behavior. We can learn how people actually drive in every location. For instance, we can know which traffic lights apply to which lanes, where constructions are being carried out, and even the typical driving speed. RAM serves as an additional layer. It does not replace cameras and sensors, but supplements them, especially in tricky driving conditions, such as wet roads or poorly marked lanes. If a stop sign gets knocked over by a truck, our car will still know it has to stop and will drive exactly like a local driver. And that's how we do it.